Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are all fine. Guys, today I bring for you an amazing grooming product which is VGR trimmer. VGR V082 professional hair trimmer. So today we will unbox this product and see what is inside and what type of material they are using and this product built-in quality. At the end I will tell you my opinion and conclusion of this product. So let's start. They are giving 6 different languages. This box inside hair trimmer, 3-piece guide comb, protection cap and USB charging cable. This is made with ABS material. It means thermoplastic material they are using for this trimmer. This trimmer 2.5 hour charging time and it provide us 300 minute operating time. It's mean 1.5 minute will give you 3 minute backup. As they are mentioned here, they are using precision blade and easy operator on off button and USB charging, so you can connect with any your charger, mobile charger or any charger you can connect with this device for charging. Its voltage, as I told you, 5 volt any mobile charger can use and 1 ampere current, so any low ampere current charger you can also use. This is a very good product. You can see the finishing of this box, also very good, looking very good. So let's start. I already opened this box and use 1 week, so I will tell you my opinion about this product. So we will see what is inside the box. Very precious box as well. You can see box also very good quality. So we will keep this one here. Inside box we found this precious trimmer which ABS material, thermoplastic. You can see mention here input voltage 5 volt and current 1 ampere, charge time 2.5 hour. It's mean from 0 to full it will take 2.5 hour. So we will explore more what inside the box. Oh, very long cable. I think this 2 meter cable inside the box for charging. You can put any charger, your mobile device charger, this USB port. After you can connect this charging port, this trimmer, and here is charging indication. After this indication will glow, so you can see your device is charging. So inside the box, 1 trimmer, 1 USB cable and 3 comb. 3 comb, as you can see, 1 mm, 2 mm and 3 mm, 3 comb available there, and 1 cleaning brush as well. And what inside the box, its manual available inside the box, which I think also in 6 language. Yeah, so you can see in 6 language available this manual: English, French, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese and Dutch. So 6 language available for this manual. Leave this manual, I will tell you. So this trimmer, they give safety clamp for blade protections and also this safety guard for motor, so you can easily remove this one and clean your hair from this device. You can see this one motor shaft. When I press this button, it will start running. You can see very smoothly running, and also here green LED showing for device running. So you can adjust this blade setting eye as well from the loose these 2 screws. After you can adjust this blade setting. This one 0 cutting trimmer, I will show you. You can see very nicely and smoothly clean. Just in 1 touch it's going. Easy operate. You need to just click on this power button, so it will become on. So we will connect this device as well with the power source and check its charging or not. So guys, I connect this device with charging using mobile charger. So you can see there is red light for charging indication. You can see when it coming off or coming green, it mean it full of charge. So when you are running this machine, it show you green light, and when charging, that time it show you red light. So let's explore more things. You can see this cable length are also too much big. So I think this cable length more than 2 meter. So enough to keep anywhere, any place. This machine operating on 5 volt and 1 ampere, and these blades are adjustable. You can adjust this blade setting from these 2 screws. This blade are stainless steel blade, 40 multimeter width of this blade, and this trimmer using 1500 mAh lithium battery, which will give you enough backup time, almost 300 minutes. This product coming with a 2-year warranty, and also you can see very well packed this machine. This is precious blades, soft on off button, and quick charge USB charging jack. This protection cap for you can just put like this. After you use this trimmer, you remove for clean hairs, so you can easily remove our dirt or hairs from this trimmer. Let's talk about its price. Its price just $20. I will give you this product link in description for AliExpress and Amazon as well, so you can easily buy from there. You use this device last 5 or 7 days. I feel very good experience with this device. This device very easily and smoothly clean your all unwanted hairs and give you good result. As I show you cutting for this machine, I again show you through trimming my bread. I really like this product very much. I will highly recommend you if you want to buy good trimmer in cheap price, so you can buy from giving link in description below. So I will show you this result for how it's cut my bread. So guys, you can see now I am using this trimmer on my bread, so you can see result. As you can see, very nicely and smoothly they cut these hard hairs. This hair very hard, but this machine zero cutting, see, like blade. So I highly recommend you buy this machine for good result. Guys, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friend, so if anyone need this one, he can buy and watch my review video. So before going, kindly support me on YouTube and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching guys.